Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two mystery boxes from Morphe to unbox with you guys. They had these for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and they had a eye kit and like a face kit. I'll show you guys what they look like. Okay, so we got here the surprise box 9-piece face and eye collection that has 9 products in it. So it comes in this box, and then we have this box which is called the I Love Mysteries 5-piece eye collection. This one I believe you can still purchase on the Morphe website. The face and eye collection was $50, and then the I Love Mysteries was $35. I'm not exactly sure or quite remember how much value the face one was supposed to be, but this eye one is $35 with a $51 value, which I guess now that I'm looking at that, it's not the best value. Usually these mystery boxes have at least like 50% off, I guess you would say. But yeah, I don't have like a ton from Morphe, and I was curious about trying some new things, so I decided I would go ahead and get both. I was just going to get the big box, the face one, but it was free shipping over a certain point. You guys know me, I will spend more to get free shipping, which is crazy, but the Morphe shipping is so expensive. So anyways, we will go ahead and unbox the $50 surprise box first. Ooh, so I see a nice amount of goodies in here. The first thing I'm going to pull out is a big palette. So I'll have to see if everyone is getting the same items. I'll definitely do some research before I end the video to see what everyone else is getting, but I wanted to be surprised first, so I didn't look at any sneak peeks. So this is the 35R Ready Set Gold eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I don't think I have this or have tried it, so it sounds nice. You guys know me, I love neutrals, and gold is one of my favorite colors to wear on the eyes. So here's the packaging. And I'll add up the total value of this box as well. Oh, this is actually pretty nice. So yeah, it's a nice neutral palette. We have any shade. I'm definitely going to keep this because I feel like there's a lot I can do with this one, even though it looks like a lot of similar tones. I love golds, so I feel like this is something I would definitely reach for, although I'm not a huge fan of these gigantic palettes just because they're so bulky in my collection. I usually go for smaller ones, but I do like the color scheme of this palette. So first product, I am pleased. Next, I'll go in with some lip products here. So we got a lip gloss. Ooh, I have not tried it. They're lip glosses in the shade Frosé. It's a nice neutral. Wow, this is actually stunning. This is like a nude with pink and gold shimmers. I love the colors. So pretty. I like that they went with a neutral shade because sometimes these kind of boxes, they send like crazy colors. I don't think that these are scented. And this one's very light on the skin. It kind of just gives a clear tint with some shimmer. So it's not as like pigmented as I would have expected, but I'm still excited to try the Morphe formula. And then we got, this is one of their lip crayons in the shade Lilas, which I don't know if it's meant to be Lilas, or do you guys remember when, like on Instant Messenger, that used to mean love you like a sis? Because I totally remember that. Okay, so, ooh, I like this color. That is Lilas, or love you like a sis, I guess. I don't know if that's what it's meant to be, but I'm going to call it that. So I really like that shade. It's a perfect rosy nude. The last lip product in here, this is a lipstick in the shade Morphe. Interesting, I didn't know they had their own like shade. So this is a red lipstick with the M embossed on it. I'm sad we didn't get any liquid lipsticks because their liquid lips are really nice. And I only have one shade and I've been wanting some more. But this is like a super matte lipstick. But I do like my reds to be very matte because I know they're not going to budge, they're not going to move anywhere, and I won't have lipstick on my chin at the end of the day, so that's nice. And then we got this, which I'm excited for. It's called Blushing Babes Pop of Pink Blush Trio in Talk Flirty. So, ooh, this looks very nice. I do not own any of these blush trios, and this is definitely up my alley. I love the color scheme here. We have the shade Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirit, which are all mauve pinks. So fun. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you. Ooh, I love this one. Rule Breaker is stunning. That Dusty Rose. Yes. Here's the other shades with it. Very nice. I'm very excited for this blush trio. We do have some lashes. These are the premium lashes, they say, in Posh. These look really nice. They look like they are extremely long, but I definitely want to try these. It says, softly chic with some extra oomph, these wispy wonders will leave you with wearable lashes for every occasion. These are definitely like when people say these are wearable, I'm kind of like, these are like super glam for me. Like when I think wearable, I think of like the Ardell Demi Wispies, but these are pretty glam. All right, and then we have brushes, which I'm excited about. I've been wanting to try some more Morphe brushes. I do own the Jaclyn Hill. I own some of the Jaclyn Hill eye brushes with Morphe, and I own some of the Jeffree Star ones, and I really like them. So we got the R34 Deluxe Blender brush that has rose gold on it. This looks very nice. I can never have enough crease brushes, and I'm excited to try more like of these more affordable ones. We also have the R39 Tapered Blender. So this one would be really nice for like the outer corner. That one also has the rose gold handle. And then we have the R14 Round Contour. It feels really nice. I haven't really used anything like this for contouring, but I am excited to try it. I feel like that would be nice to kind of just sculpt out the cheekbones a little bit, make it a little more precise. So that's everything I got in my big box. This box was $50. I'm going to go ahead and add up the total and let you guys know. So with this big surprise box, this one had a value of $103, which is pretty good. I'm happy that it was at least like 50%, so basically double what I paid. And I feel like we did get some great items in here. I'll pretty much use everything that I got, so I'm actually really happy with this one. Now let's see what we got in the eye box. So it was just on the Morphe site, and I actually did find the $50 box as well, so you can still get that one if you guys are interested. I just couldn't find it because I was searching mystery, but it is popping up under surprise. So this one is still available. I'll link it down below. It was supposed to, it says it's a $101 value, but when I looked and added everything together, it was $103. So next up is the I Love Mysteries 5-piece eye collection, and this one was $35, so a little bit cheaper, and the value is supposed to be $51. Alright, so we got another palette here. This one is a little bit smaller, which is kind of exciting me. Like maybe I would like this one a little bit more. It sounds like it might be similar tones, but this is the 25A Copper Spice palette. Here is the colors. Very similar color range, so I feel like I definitely don't need both palettes. I might end up keeping this one instead, just because it's smaller. I think I would use this a little bit more. We also got another pair of lashes in Posh. Is that the same ones? Yes, we did get the same lashes, so I have two pairs now of the Posh lashes. And then we got a few eye brushes, but it looks like these are different ones. So first up we got, this is their M461. I would say this doesn't really look like an eye brush to me, which is fine because I would totally use this as like highlight brush or something like that. It looks like it has like a duo fiber kind of shape. We also got a M524 medium shadow fluff brush. I guess I could have read this. This one is the jumbo crease brush. Oh my goodness, that's a crease brush? Like that's insane. But I have small eyes too, but that would cover my whole eye. Okay, so this one is a fluffy shadow brush, which I would probably use this just to like do a color all over the lid, or like when I set my eye primer, that would be really nice. And then we also got this one, which is the M412 Deluxe Pointed Blender. So I have a nice collection now of eye brushes from getting these boxes. This will also be nice for the outer corner. So that is what is in the eyes box. I'm going to have to double check and see if everyone's getting the same things. But that one seemed pretty decent as well. I definitely don't think you need both of the boxes. Let me add up the value of this one. Now adding all mine together up, this Copper Spice palette's actually on sale right now on the Morphe website, so I did do the sale price because if I did buy this stuff right now, it would be $45, which isn't the best deal for this box. The Face and Eye 9-piece box was definitely better and a much better deal, and we got a pretty good range of products, but they definitely included wearable shades with this box as well, so I thought that was nice. But yeah, I definitely think that the bigger box was better. You guys will have to let me know your thoughts on these boxes in the comments. Looking on Instagram, it looks like everyone got the same kind of items but different colors. So you might get a different lipstick color or a different palette color. It just kind of depends, but it looks like The brushes are the same, so if this interests you, you should be getting similar items, maybe just different colors. So I will have both these boxes linked down below. I think I'm almost done with mystery boxes for a little bit. I'm just waiting for my Jeffree Star ones to come in the mail. My mini box is already shipped. I'm still waiting on my other ones, so I don't know yet if I'm going to film them all three together or separately, because I don't know how long I'll be waiting for the other ones. But that's it for today's video. I will let you guys go, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.